Screen record for January 19th. I want to wish you all a happy Martin Luther King Day. Right now, what we got on the S&Ps is, essentially double bottom on a flag. And right now, I am kind of looking to more or less sit in cash. I do have some shorts that I'm still holding until my stops hit, but I'm going to hold them until my runners until they get stopped out, and I'm not gonna mess with the trade. I mean they're profitable. The stops are better than break even, so I'm not gonna mess with anything. What I'm seeing is this down. We have a test of it. We got a double bottom here. It almost looks like that it needs a flag at some point. And once this flag occurs, that I would take it long. It would need a one. Let me draw it here. That with this consolidation that's has happened, that we should get a flag anywhere all the way up to here. Then we could get the two pullback, and then we'd really want to play the breakout of the flag into the third leg. That'd be the strongest leg, and then hypothetically assuming that leg is going to take out highs. So I'm not really looking to play this, just based off the fact that I'm not exactly sure where I should be scaling, where I should be doing where I'm trading, and that the best way is to sit on my hands right now. So a couple positions that I'm in. I'm still in my LinkedIn short. Took it off the open range break. We had consolidation along the 15 and the 5-minute time frame, and it broke here. So I ended up taking it, and it's got a $2.20 20 cent stop on it, outside of the 30-minute range. So we have that set up, and I've scaled out at 3.6 to 1, and I'm letting the trailing stop. That's this blue line with an open range 30 above it. So excuse me. So I'm kind of just letting that go up until that gets taken out. So I'm not really that concerned about it. If it gets stopped out, somewhere in the 217 range, that's fine. I'm still in 40% or so of the position. Facebook was closed above that line, which I showed you, and I got out, or excuse me, I didn't technically take this trade. I wasn't really watching the markets this day, so the system would be stopped out right here. But the premises for entries happen in this candle right here. Those that don't know really my main reason for entry, I learned it from flight charts. That is that's Ben, and ask him about the cross and squeeze method. That's what I ended up doing to go short. I don't necessarily follow his rules exactly. I've kind of modified them into my own, but I'm doing what works for me, and basically taking his trigger though to get into the trade on the 30-minute time frame. So I end up closing this out here, and after I got that 3.6 that I've been talking about, and my stop is the 1 hour average true range over the 100 time frames before, so I got stopped out there. And Twitter I am short as well, and that I am still in I took it short here, and then that I've got that 3 to 1 that I've been talking, or 3.6 to 1, and then I'm holding this on. The one trade that I'm looking at really going into tomorrow is there isn't really much, to be honest, and that's a lot of the major companies that I do have are doing earnings, and within those earnings that I'm not looking necessarily to really try to beat the world right now. I'm kind of waiting for things to set up with those, and then I'll look to take the trades. Yeah, getting some issues loading right now. Let's try another one. So LNG has a really nice flag pattern. It's got the crossover candle that I've been talking about. So I'd be looking to take it long, really above, the 74 area. I believe it's got a dollar stop on the hourly time frame, and if we look at this, it's got fib congruence. It's got a lot of fibs going at this 80, 78, 55 area. So I would be looking to really trade it up into there and see what happens with it. So anyways, that's kind of what I'm watching for tomorrow. Best of luck trading, and hopefully we get some movement after the earnings are released. So have a good one, and like the video.